I'm Sambit Mond. I'm head trade fair division in Hitex. Auto deals is another innovative events from Hitex where people from the city, mainly from the Cyberabad and the IT professional, they'll be able to buy, sell, and exchange their vehicles in one platform. Purpose of organizing this two-day event, regular two-day event, is to provide convenience to those people who are migrating from one city to another. So, for example, if some IT professional from Hyderabad is shifting to Bangalore or Pune, and he has to shift very fast in a very short time, it's the one-stop solution for them. They will come here, they can sell their car and they can migrate. Or somebody from Bangalore or Pune is coming to Hyderabad. For him also it's very easy. He can come here, he can dispose of his car there in his home city, and he can buy a car here. So this is happy situation for everybody, both who is shifting out of Hyderabad or one who is migrating to Hyderabad also. It started in 2003 as a PPP, public-private partnership between different agencies of government of Andhra Pradesh and Lieutenant Tubro. A basic idea is to promote industry basically in those areas where AP has its traditional strength. So from our side, we always do our best to create an event for the people of the city. For me, my team, my superiors, all of us wants to create a sense of ownership among the people of Hyderabad. We like people of Hyderabad to have a sense of ownership for Hitex, because it's a fantastic venue. All people of the city, they should have pride of the infrastructure we are having here. We are fortunate to have this kind of event and exhibition facility. No other major city in the country can boast kind of infrastructure we have in Hitex. All the top brands are participating, whether it is Maruti or a Hyundai or Honda or Mahindra, Chevrolet, Ford. All of them, they're displaying their products here. They're displaying the new brands also. They're also displaying the used, certified used cars also. And the bikes, we have Bajaj, we have Honda Motors, we have Hero Honda.